There's a noise underneath the surface. She can barely hear it now.
I can't talk right now, John. I'm at work.
Well, I need to talk now, Caitlin.
I do not have time for this.
Some things can't be left for later, Caitlin. It's not food. I can't decide to stop feeling because it's not convenient for you, Caitlin.
Look, what you want me to tell you, I just can't.
Then can, Caitlin. Can.
Stop repeating my name! I've got to go. John? You there?
Yeah.
Oh, but can you at least say something when you pick up the phone?
Can you talk now?
Yes, talk now.
I don't understand what the problem is with me trying to spend more time with you.
There is no problem, John, but you should enjoy being alone. I want you to enjoy being by yourself.
It's not that. I just feel like I try and get close to you and you just keep pulling me away.
I'm not pulling away, John. I met this girl at that conference the other day. She's been with her boyfriend for years. She said at first she didn't want to spend time apart and she was all scared. But now they're together, they feel like she has so much more to share.
But I want to live experiences with you.
Do you understand?
I'm sorry, Kate. It's just too much sometimes, you know? Hi.
Hi.
Have you heard water running through a fountain? Cities are like a loud orchestral concert of a billion noises, and people yelling at each other, trying to communicate. And behind the noise, it's us.